If two triangles are similar, then the lengths of the corresponding altitudes are proportional to the lengths of the corresponding sides. So we can see an example of that here. BD and YW are the corresponding altitudes, so that ratio will be the same as the simplified ratio of all of the other matching sides. If two triangles are similar, then the lengths of the corresponding angle bisectors are proportional to the lengths of the corresponding sides. So here TW and BD are your two angle bisectors. If two triangles are similar, then the lengths of the corresponding medians are proportional to the lengths of the corresponding sides. So here TW and BD are your medians. They hit that opposite side at the midpoint. So example, find the value of x. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle DGR. So here AF and DP are both medians, so they're proportional to those sides. That means I can say the ratio of AF to DP is the same as the ratio of side AC to side DR. And we can set up this proportion, 8 over x equals 10 over 15. You can cross multiply here, or you can simplify that fraction 10 over 15 to be 2/3. And I have 8 over x equals 2 over 3. I can cross multiply to get 2x equals 24 and divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 12. Find the length of AD. So here AD and FK are both angle bisectors, so they're proportional to your sides. So we have x over 12 equals 21 over 9. I can simplify that down if I want to. Now I can go ahead and cross multiply. An angle bisector in a triangle separates the opposite side into two segments that are proportional to the lengths of the other two sides. So what that means is the ratio of BD to DC is equal to AB to AC. So here to here, here to here. So find the value of x. We have an angle bisector. So x over 10 is equal to 22 over 14. Go ahead and simplify this, make that 11 over 7, a little easier to deal with. So 7x equals 110, or x equals 110 over 7. So this one's a little trickier. I want to say a over whatever this length is right here equals 24 over 20. So if I know the entire base of that big triangle is 27.5 and that right portion there is a, then that question mark portion there that we're looking at would be 27.5 minus a. So then that just means that we have a binomial here in the bottom, at the denominator of that fraction. Let's go ahead and cross multiply. And then distribute. And then finish solving. Triangle SRY is similar to triangle WXQ, and in those two triangles that are overlapping a little bit, I do see that I have two altitudes, one that has a length of x and one that has a length of 5. And then if I look at these sides that are given, the side WQ here has a length of 8, and then this side, YR here, has a length of 10. So note the altitudes are proportional to the sides. So I can set up this proportion, x over 5 equals 8 over 10, and you want to make sure that the 8 and the 10 are actually the two corresponding sides that go together. So 8 is the length of segment XQ, which we see written right here, and 10 is the length of segment YR or RY, which we see written right here. So based on our similarity statement, if I said triangle SRY is similar to triangle WXQ, it's written in the order that we know that RY and XQ are the corresponding sides. So 8 and 10 do go together there. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this and make that 4 over 5 a little easier to work with. Cross multiplying, I get 5x equals 20. And then dividing, I get x equals 4. Okay, now that you're done, don't forget to work those problems on your assignment sheet. When that is finished, remember you do have a textbook review over Chapter 7 that is due. That's going to be due on Friday, and your Chapter 7 test is also on Friday.